how to set up a fiat wallet on crypto.com. Whether you want to manage USD, EUR or other flat currencies, we've got you covered. Now first, open the crypto.com app on your phone and log into your account. Tap on Accounts at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of your crypto and fiat wallets. In the account sections, you'll see crypto wallet and fiat wallet. Tap on fiat wallet. If this is your first time setting it up, you might see a prompt to add a new fiat wallet. Tap on add fiat wallet or add account to start the setup process. You'll be given option to select the currency you want to add, such as USD, EUR or other available currencies. To add a fiat wallet, you need to complete the Know Your Customer or KYC verification process if you haven't already. This involves uploading a valid ID and verifying your identity. Once KYC is complete, you'll need to link your bank account. Tap on Link Bank Account and choose your bank. Enter your bank details as required. This may include account number, routing number and bank name. After linking your bank account, you can deposit funds into your fiat wallet. Tap on Deposit and select your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to deposit and follow the instructions to complete the transfer. Now that your fiat wallet is set up and funded, you can manage it directly from the crypto.com app. You can view your balance, make transfers and use it to buy or sell crypto. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your fiat wallet on crypto.com.